Welcome back to Old Coin Vault, the place where everyday coins turn into hidden treasures. Today, we're diving into the 1971 South Africa 10 cents coin, a coin that many people overlook, but serious collectors actively search for. This coin was issued by South Africa during a very important era in its coinage history. South Africa has a rich and unique coin history. In 1961, South Africa became a republic and introduced its decimal coin system. By 1971, the country was producing coins that reflected national identity, wildlife, and modern minting techniques. That makes coins from this period historically important, especially to international collectors. Let's break down the technical details because this is where value starts. Country: South Africa. Year: 1971. Denomination: 10 cents. Metal composition: copper nickel. Shape: round. Edge: reeded. Diameter: approximately 21 millimeters. Weight: around 4 grams. Coins with original mint surfaces and sharp details are the ones collectors want the most. On the front side, you'll see the South African coat of arms, representing unity and national pride. The inscriptions show the country name and the year 1971. On the reverse side, the large number 10 clearly marks the denomination, surrounded by clean, simple design elements. This minimal but bold design is part of what makes this coin attractive to collectors. Now, the big question: why can this coin be worth up to $27? The value depends on three major factors. 1. Condition: uncirculated or near-mint coins are worth much more. 2. Collector demand: South African coins are popular worldwide. 3. Availability: high-grade examples are harder to find today. Most 1971 coins were heavily circulated. That's why clean examples stand out. Here's a general value range based on condition. Circulated condition: $1 to $3. Extra fine condition: $5 to $10. Uncirculated/mint state: $15 to $27 or more. Professional grading can sometimes push the value even higher. Before you sell or store your coin, check these details carefully. Sharp edges, no heavy scratches, original shine, clear date and design. Never clean your coin. Cleaning can destroy collector value instantly. Show coin holders: always store valuable coins in protective holders and keep them away from moisture. If you think your coin is uncirculated, consider professional grading. So next time you see a South African 10-cent coin from 1971, don't ignore it. You might be holding a $27 collectible. If you love discovering hidden coin values, like, subscribe, and comment below if you own this coin. This is Old Coin Vault, where history meets value.